Every year, millions of people in the USA buy their first home or a new property. But the real question is, which city can actually double your money, and which one will just stay a dream? Today, I'm going to share the top 7 US cities for 2025 where buying property is a smart investment, affordable, high rental demand, and fast-growing value. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in real estate or planning to buy your first home, then this video is made just for you. So let's not waste any time and jump straight into the list of the top 7 US cities in 2025. Number 1, Tampa, Florida. Affordable homes, a strong job market, and a warm lifestyle. Tampa is a hidden gem for investors. Rental demand is steadily growing here, especially because of young professionals. 2, Dallas, Texas. The real estate boom in Dallas is far from over. With huge job opportunities, corporate relocations, and a stable market, Dallas is still one of the hottest picks for 2025. 3, Charlotte, North Carolina. If you want a balance between affordability and growth, Charlotte is perfect. The banking and tech industry boom is making rental returns very strong here. 4, Atlanta, Georgia. Atlanta's culture and economy are both on the rise. Homes are still more affordable compared to the national average, and demand keeps going up year after year. 5, Phoenix, Arizona. Phoenix has doubled its property value in recent years, and experts say the growth is not slowing down anytime soon. Warm climate, rising job opportunities, and a super active rental market make it a top spot. 6, Austin, Texas. Austin has become the new tech hub, with giants like Google, Apple, and Tesla already setting up base here. Yes, prices are a bit higher, but for long-term investors, this is a gold mine. 7, Nashville, Tennessee. Here's the surprise. The number 1 city for 2025 is Nashville. Affordable housing, a booming healthcare and entertainment industry, and a rapidly growing population mean both rental income and property appreciation are extremely strong here. So friends, these were the top 7 US cities for 2025 where buying a home could be your best investment. Which city do you like the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, happy investing.